I will show you the difference between the two different folding machinery. This is the old one, the first generation. This is the new one, the third generation. The folding machinery is very important. Why? The old one, you see, it's folded like this, and it's aluminum design, but the stick is steel. So if you use it for a long time, there will be a lot of gaps. The gap make it shaking a lot, like it's broken. It's not broken, but the feeling is like broken. And if it's rusted, it will stop you fold. Cannot function very well. But most 99% of the factory in China is making this the old one, the older generation, because this one is cheaper and it's simple, it's easy to make. But the new one is different, not like this. The third generation, here you see it's very thick, really thick and strong. It's folding like not like that. It's folding like this way. It's like this way. If you want to unfold by mistake like this, you will not damage it because it's very strong. It's like this way, see? It's like this way. It's very strong. Don't worry about it. And you want to unfold like this. Very strong, very reliable. As an engineer, I strongly recommend this one. For this one, you see, you have to go like this. The battery is in the tube, not here. You hear no place. But this one different. The battery is inside here. 30 cells inside. If you want more batteries, we can put 20 cells here. So totally will be 50 cells. It can be 36 voltage, 13 amp. This one, the maximum is 24 voltage, 8.8 amp. The maximum. So, and the most important is this old one. We sold 10,000 pieces already. And in France, you can see this one everywhere. But the Freego 6, the new one, we never sell to France or European countries. If you sell this one, you have no competition. Maybe this one, maybe you can sell like 200 euros. This one you can sell about 400 euros because there's no competition. A lot of features, a lot of functions. So different. If you buy this one, you will have a lot of headache, you have a lot of trouble because here break, here not working very well. This is the reason we change because this one is not qualified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.